The OnePlus 13R, launched in early 2025, is a compelling addition to OnePlus's lineup, offering flagship-level features at a competitive price point. It boasts a 6.78-inch AMOLED display with a resolution of 2800 by 1260 pixels and a 120 Hz refresh rate, ensuring vibrant visuals and smooth interactions. Under the hood, the device is powered by the Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 processor, complemented by up to 16 GB of LPDDR5X RAM and 512 GB of UFS 4.0 storage, delivering robust performance for multitasking and demanding applications. The camera setup includes a 50MP main sensor with optical image stabilization, a 50MP telephoto lens offering 2x optical zoom, and an 8MP ultra-wide lens, enabling versatile photography options. The 6000 mAh battery supports 80W wired charging, ensuring quick recharge times to keep users connected throughout the day. Running on Oxygen OS 15 based on Android 15, the OnePlus 13R provides a user-friendly interface with a commitment to 4 years of software updates, ensuring longevity and security. With a starting price of 42,999 Indian rupees, the OnePlus 13R offers exceptional value for those seeking high-end specifications without the premium price tag.